guys, the monsoon season is here and the weather has changed drastically. And with the weather, your makeup routine should change too. So I recently went to Sephora and I shopped quite a lot. I also brought 2 products online, so I thought I'll just include them here as well. Today I'll be doing a Sephora makeup haul and simultaneously I'll be giving you guys a makeup tutorial with all the stuff that I've got. So let's get started. The first product is the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. So this primer is a gel-based primer which is perfect for the monsoon season. Just take some on the back of your hand and apply it all over your face. The next product is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. This is a really high coverage foundation, so make sure you don't use a lot of it. Also, it's water resistant, so this is the perfect foundation for you. All that you have to do is pump some on the back of your hand, not a lot, just I think that's enough. Take a buffing brush and start with your base. So as you can see, the right side on which I've applied the foundation looks pretty different from the left. This is completely makeup free and this has my base. It has quite a lot of coverage and you don't need any more during the monsoon. Now I'm just taking a little bit for my neck. So make sure that you apply your entire base on your neck as well so that your neck and face match. Next up is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Palette. As you can see, it's a beautiful looking palette. It has a lot of contour shades. So this was in the shade medium. It also has a yellow corrector over here, which is awesome, and I'm really excited to use this. I want to keep the look really minimal, so I'm not going to contour my face a lot. I am taking this brush right here and taking this shade of the palette to contour my face. I also got the multi-texture sponge from Sephora and I'm going to blend my contour with it. I have contoured my face really lightly, but just in case if you want a stronger contour line, then you can use this shade right here. Now I'm going to contour my jawline, my nose and my forehead. If you have a large forehead like I do, then simply use the contour cream and apply it downwards like this. This will give an illusion of a smaller forehead and a much more chiseled face. You must have noticed that I left my eyes. That is because I'm going to use a concealer instead of the foundation. I'm going to conceal my under eyes as well. The foundation is pretty full coverage, but I still need a little concealer under my eyes, but that's completely optional. Now to set my base, I'm going to use a compact powder. I did not buy a compact powder for this haul because currently I'm obsessed with my Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. So now that my base is done, I'm going to do my brows. I like using brow powder for my eyebrows, so I didn't really get anything for my brows in this haul, but I am using my Bobbi Brown eyebrow shaper for this look. My brows are done and now we're moving to eyeshadow, which brings us to the next item in this haul. It's the Sephora eyeshadow pencil, and again it's waterproof and very convenient to use. I'll just swatch it for you guys first. It is a beautiful shade, and all I'm going to do is just contour my eyelid with it and then smudge it with my fingers. I'm also applying eyeshadow over my upper waterline. And now all that you have to do is just smudge it with your fingers. Just make sure you blend it well with your fingers so that there are no crease lines. So I'm done with my eyeshadow as well. It's time to move to eyelashes. I'm skipping eyeliner in this tutorial because no matter whether it's waterproof or not, I do not like using eyeliner during the monsoon, so I'm just using a lot of mascara. For my eyelashes, I got their Real Mascara from Benefit. Before using the mascara, I'm going to quickly curl my lashes and then apply it. Now let's just dive in. I'm so excited to use this product. Just removing the excess And like, just make sure you do that too, because sometimes when you get a lot of product on your wand, it just clumps up all your eyelashes and that looks really, really bad. This mascara is really good for people who don't have really voluminous eyelashes. So my mascara is done. As you can see, there's a huge difference in my eyes, and this mascara is really, really good. It has added a lot of volume and I'm just loving how they look right now. My next purchase from Sephora is my absolute favorite in this haul. It's the Benefit Fine 1-1 Cream Blush Stick, and it's my most favorite thing ever. Just open it and show it to you guys. So it has two beautiful shades of blush right here, and then it has a highlighter on top. You just have to put it on your face like this and blend it with your fingers. And this is the most convenient blush ever. I'm using my sponge again to blend the blush really well. So you can totally build up the tint of this blush as you go. So I like a blush that can be seen but it's also very subtle. If you like it more, just apply more. Just make sure you blend your makeup really well, because that is what leads to the perfect face of makeup. If you don't blend it well, you'll see lines and then you'll just be disappointed. So for the last product for this haul and this makeup look, I got 2 lip liners instead of a lipstick. During monsoon, make sure you use a matte lip liner or lipstick, because that doesn't wear off with water as compared to glossy lipsticks. I just loved these shades, so I thought we'll use lip liners this time. So this one is in the shade 07, which is a pale pink, and this one is in the shade 09, which is a fuchsia shade. I'm just going to mix the two and get a beautiful pigment. The liner is really creamy and I did not have to drag it onto my lips at all. So I'm going to cover my lip completely and then top it up with this liner. Now I'm going to top it up with the shade Pale Pink. So that was it for my haul and my makeup tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I've kept the look really simple, really minimal, but just topped it with a very bright lipstick. So let me know what you think, and for the rest, you know what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe to PopXer Beauty.